Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi lezi ingxoxo kumele ngabe zasingathwa kudala kuphazamise ubhubhane lwesifo iCovid-19.
We meet at a time when our two countries, and indeed all countries of the world, are striving to recover from COVID-19 pandemic. Had it not been for the COVID-19 pandemic, this binational commission between South Africa and Mozambique would have taken place some time ago.
Umengameli wezwe uthi weneme ngendlela obuyiyo ubudlelwane balamazwe womabili.
It is encouraging to see how the relations between the Republic of Mozambique and South Africa have expanded and deepened at both a political, economic, social, as well as at the security level.
IMozambique ngelinye lamazwe ahwebelana kahle neNingizimu Afrika, kusho uMengameli Ramaphosa.
Mozambique remains one of South Africa's top trading partners in the region, and there are several opportunities that are out there between the two countries for expansion.
Umengameli wezwe uthi iNingizimu Afrika izimisele ukuqinisa ezokuhwebelana neMozambique ikakhulukazi emkhakheni wezamandla.
Energy security is vital to economic growth in our respective countries, and we look forward to significant progress towards securing and sustaining our energy needs.
Phakathi kwezinye izinto kulindeleke ukuthi ixoxwe ngazo kufaka phakathi ezokuphepha kanye nokuthuthukiswa komnotho walamazwe womabili. NginguKhalvin Dludla, izindaba zeSABC.